unbox these freezers. Here's the dehumidifier. Pints, large room dehumidifier. Oh, here's the new dehumidifier. Black. Be interesting to see what color the fridge is. Probably white. It's like a dark silver. This is the dehumidifier. Energy Star. Wonder if everything will be black. I'm gonna find out. It's on wheels. It's nice. Nifty pint. Do the freezer chest. Yeah, it's gonna be white. Freezer chest is going to be white. Assuming it's going to be on wheels. Rotted truck. Here's the freezer chest. Energy Star. There's the cord. This is the back. Here's the front. General Electric. Here comes Randy. Well, this is what the electric company brings you. Will you know if it's new or refurbished by looking at it?
What?
Will you know if it's new or refurbished just by looking at it, or impossible to know?
Impossible to know. It will say it on it. Refurbished.
Yeah, and then we got to open the fridge and see. It looks like nice quality equipment. How much smaller is this than the one over there? Not too much? A little bit, right? About 2/3 the size? Smaller.
Not that much.
Oh, so this is, it'll tell you how many cubic feet it is. That's a maximum. That's a big one.
Get your trash can over here.
Yeah, really. It's almost full already, just by itself. I'll start throwing stuff out. Now, they said that if there's an issue, is it true within 24 hours you call them and they come back and get it? You've heard it.
That's what they said.
Yeah. Let's break these down a little bit.
I'm waiting for you to say something of how I'm cutting it.
That's to get it in the bin better, right?
Yeah, but look how easy I'm cutting it.
You're doing a good job with that box cutter. They're supposed to do this once every so many years, every 7 or 10 years.
Whatever. About every 10 years is when they warranties. They're like shot by that time.
Yeah, but they won't give me a receipt. They're billing the government like $4,000 for this. I think that's a scam.
You're getting a new fridge out of it.
Yeah, we can't fight the corruption, right? Now, this cardboard here is recyclable, right?
Yep.
I won't throw that out. I'll recycle that. I mean, it looks like a nice piece of equipment. This is trash, right? This plastic bag.
Yep.
Yeah. Is styrofoam trash or recyclable? Trash. I learned something new today. You can recycle the cardboard, but you can't do the styrofoam.
You want to hear something really weird?
Why? What's up?
Packing peanuts are edible.
Oh my goodness, I wouldn't eat them.
You would if you had to.
What are they made with? Corn?
They're made with a starch of some sort. They're edible. First found that out, I said the same thing. You're kidding me. It's my son that told me. You know they're edible?
Peter knows a lot, man. I tell you. I've heard stranger things.
My cutting it small enough.
Yeah.
I got to pick her up at 10:30. I gotta get like 10:30.
Okay, well, we'll just check, see what everything looks like. Oh boy.
I'd say my knife's doing real good.
Yeah, I'd say so too. This is also trash, right? This wrapping. What's this called? What's the name of this material? What is that called? Just
Junk.
junk. They said the reason they're doing this because her appliances aren't energy efficient. You know that, right? Well, what's surprising, Randy, is don't they normally take the old equipment?
Yes.
It's because the truck was full. I mean,
Because it's worth money. You can get money for them.
yeah.
So yes,
I wonder if the reason they didn't take it's because it wasn't unloaded. Because they did come early. Now we get to see what the refrigerator looks like. It's probably going to be white.
looks like it's telling me to cut down that line. Isn't it?
What? Let me see what's... Yeah, look. See the box cutter logo?
Is that a box cutter logo?
I think so. You just don't cut the wire. Yeah, I'm assuming that they know where it goes. It says 65.5 inches by 20. It's just 9.5 by 33 and a quarter.
I think the fridge is bigger, though. I think the freezer is smaller, but I think the fridge is bigger.
Oh, just by, you can tell just by the... Well, yeah, that's obvious, yeah. I got pieces of styrofoam in my hair. And I just washed my hair.
Makes you look pretty.
There you go. Oh, you're something else.
Tell me your dad's not coming.
Oh, if he comes, you'll really get a show.
I'm leaving. It's that simple.
What if he would have came to the meeting and hit on Brooke? That would have been pathetic. I hope Arlene would have said something. He would have said that she was too old for him.
Good, stay away from her.
Oh, goodness gracious. Maybe Tommy will leave me here.
There's your new yard sale sign.
That's it right there. Joe was asking me about getting one for $2 at the store. I think they cost a little more than $2. Did you smell that one car that went by? It smells like marijuana. Do you smell that?
Mm-mm.
Oh, ooh.
Wasn't listening for it.
Trying to knock those
I did
screws.
that really good.
Yeah, you're trying to knock them screws back in place. Karate chop. Remember this?
You got no hold. Ain't happy.
What did we have 40 years ago? Johnny Cash, Bob Hope, and Reagan. Now we have Trump, no cash, and no hope. They used to...
I heard that one.
I liked using the joke when Biden was in. Biden, no cash and no hope. People don't like how Trump's doing with the economy. It's certainly better than they would have.
They coming. It has nothing to do with Trump. It has to do with Congress.
Oh yeah, they shut everything down. Look at all this. They shut the government down, and guess who got paid? They did, the ones that shut it down. Guess who didn't get paid? Everybody else. That's backwards. When they shut the government down, they shouldn't get paid, and everybody else should get paid. It's backwards. Yeah, totally backwards. It appears to be a white refrigerator.
Yeah.
I was gonna say it looks smaller on the other one, but that one's on a concrete ledge. Let's open it up and see what it looks like underneath. There it is, LED. Any light or no light? Hey Randy, is there a light here or is this not a light? Oh man, you're turning pink. Is that a light?
That's a light.
There we go. And here's the two small shelves. Hey, I could keep the shelves out of the old one probably.
Here you go.
Alright, there's a lot of cardboard going on here. It's a big chest.
Get it.
He's out. And we're gonna bury you in cardboard. That's funny.
Get it out and I'll cut it. Man, I missed.
You're funny. Karate chop. Oh my goodness. Is that bad or what? Is that bad? That's in case we needed to fix the roof again.
It's taller, it's skinnier, but it looks real nice.
Okay. Let me take a look. How do you like the brands? LG and General Electric.
Good brand.
They were going to do something called MIDEA. You ever heard of them? Midea. I told them, no, we need American brands.
No, gee.
Ooh, the door's on which side? The right side this time.
Can be on either.
Oh, it can be on
They're
either.
interchangeable. But the way it looks,
Looks just like my father's.
you might want to just cut the bottom off and leave the foam
Gentle.
underneath it.
Really?
Uh,
How hard's it going to be to get this one? I got to unload this one before we can move it, right? Got to unload that first?
you're gonna have to.
Take and see how full it is. Open it up and see.
Dirty, I know that much.
Not too bad. Not too dirty?
I'm thirsty. Water.
How about a root beer?
Where's the water?
See, why is that one not one? Look. Why don't it want to close?
Because you got too much in it.
Let me go get your root beer. You like 2 root beers? Here's the tools in case we need to fix anything. Didn't we just get a fridge the other month, you, me, and Zach? A big black fridge? Oh, books fell. Look at all the shelves when we redid the decorations. Root beer! Uh-oh, I don't know if we have any root beer. Big Diet Pepsi. Look what he gets just for cutting that box up. Here's all the books and where they were at. Here's the decorate. All the Easters are done. That's the summer stuff in that row. Oh, here's the America. And then the Halloween's getting started here.
You say we're recording now?
Not with the way this room is. With the way that... When you see this room... You'll really have a panic attack when you see this room. I gotta clean that up.
I thought that was pretty good picking.
Yeah, it was pretty good. Now this is a nice fridge. This looks identical to the one my father got. It's a recessed handle. Look what I got you, a giant guy today. He's thirsty.
What time is it?
Hey Google. Hey Google. I guess Google won't work. Amazon. What time is it? See his screen is...
It's 9:54 a.m.
I gotta get going.
Yeah. Come back later.
Hey, look, I got all this open for you.
Thanks.
Right there's your dimensions. Size and everything is written right there.
I don't even know how many cubic feet. That's what I'm... Let's take a look and see.
How many cubic feet is a 30 by 66 fridge?
Here we go.
Okay, says it inside.
Yeah, that's exactly like my dad's with the shelves. Yep.
No, you gotta keep it clean.
Yeah, that's the goal. It's the exact same one he got. Model LTSC. Here's where it would say how many cubic feet, probably.
Hey Google, how many cubic feet is a 30 by 33 and 3/4 by 66 fridge?
Here's the plastic shelf. This is how they do it now.
Maybe it's hey Amazon.
Amazon. Yes, it's the exact size my dad got. How many cubic feet is a 66 by 33 by 29 fridge? The plastic shelves. That's how they do them. Randy, look here. Come look at how they do it now. Look, it's all this type of material. They don't...
Yeah, that's common.
And look, see the inside? I'm assuming it's LED. This is the one my dad got. He got 2 of these. Yeah, you can get on that side. This is the one my dad got.
Nice one.
Good quality. You like the way it was built? He got 2 of these.
This is the efficiency, which you can keep.
Yeah. Can we move this shelf up to here?
Yep.
Let's do that. Yeah, I'll just keep that in here. Where they don't move.
It's movable. I don't know. I'd have to read how it comes out.
No big deal.
It's definitely movable. Oh, it just slides out.
All right, your soda in there. It's probably 21 cubic feet. Yeah, we'll put it the next one up. Why? Because it makes it more uniform? Yeah, that's better. Look at Randy, Mr. Handy Randy here, putting the shelf in the fridge.
Make it easy, do ya? You should go right in, and it's not.
You probably have to lift it up in the backside.
No, should be going in right now.
Oh, we got it started.
There we go.
Now it locks in the bottom there. Is that how it works?
I see. It's in.
What's this here? What's this for?
I don't know if that's a light switch or what that is.
It says coldest and cold.
Oh, it's the temperature setting.
Oh, you got a temperature on these. My dad don't even have that one on his.
Newport, PA. Don't know you.
From Jamie. Hey,
Hey! I got plastic that gets peeled off them.
Okay, you can do the other one too. I'm glad you saw that.
Probably on all of them. Here it's on the fridge
All right.
itself. You see it's protective? So
Yeah, so you don't bang it. All right.
I slid that all the way over so you could get that out.
from Ricky.
Is that here?
I finally am
sticker.
getting to watch Let's Make a Deal.
She's finally getting to watch
Nope, that's a scratch.
already.
That's an indent. They caused it, not us. Feel it?
No big deal. Can't even see it. All right, give me some. How you feeling, Father? You gotta go get Hazel.
Did you see? You like horses, right?
Yeah,
You need my razor knife?
I think I'm good. So it's a nice size. I'm wearing my shorts backwards. See my pockets are. Yeah, I'm wearing my shorts backwards.
One.
These get recycled. Oh, why do you keep these? Joe does that.
McDonald House.
Great. Let me throw these out. Thanks for helping me open everything. You like everything? It's nice, right?
Sugar-free Jolly Ranchers.
Thank you.
Here, I'm going to show you.
Then I'll go in and take care of Mom.
Back. See it?
Wow, what's this for?
I'm going to put either a mirror on it or I'm going to put a picture on it of me in that cowboy hat.
Oh, I like that. Yeah. Is that the one with Wyatt?
No.
No. All right. Thanks, Randy.
Get yourself a box knife and cut this stuff up.
You got it.
Or just keep a few panels.
Will they say anything about that or no? Probably not, right?
That's up to you. That's definitely an imperfection in the paint.
Maybe that's why we got it.
It's no big deal. We didn't do it. I know that.
Yeah.
Let me use your bathroom quick before
Go
we
ahead,
take
use
and
it.
get her.
Yeah.
Okay?
You got it. Boy, listen to you go. Oh, that's it, man. That's it. Just dirt. All right, folks, there you have it.